Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on staggered wheels. So I'm going to tell a little bit about staggered wheels on my Lexus. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much. Alright, get started here. This is my 2020 Lexus GS 350 F Sport. So I have staggered wheels. So the front wheels are 235/40 ZR19s. So the wheel is going to be different in the front and the back. So you can see these nice wheels, and it could be a lot of different tires. You don't have to be Michelin. So ones I have here are Michelin, and it's been great with these Michelin as well too. But need to find staggered wheels. It makes finding tires with the same brand a little bit harder. Okay. So you can get better performance and handling. And staggered wheels means the front and the back are different sizes, so you can't rotate them. So I have 265/35 ZR19s in the back over here. So you can't rotate them. What about the warranty, you ask? Well, the manufacturer say these are 45,000 mile tires. They're gonna only warranty half because you can't rotate them, basically. And the wear is not that bad on these tires. I have about a little bit more than 20K on them, so that's what it looks like. Unfortunately, I can't show the other angle, but you know, you kind of get the idea, right? 35 ZR19, another one in the back is 265/35 ZR19s. So handling improves, and there are many vehicles that have this, the Supra, maybe say the Mustang, and there's a number of them, especially ones that are great for handling and performance. They may have staggered wheels. The only thing is you can't rotate them. Finding tires may be a little bit hard if you want the same tread wear on all four tires. So before you purchase your next vehicle or sports car, check if they're staggered wheel or not. Hopefully this video helps you out. I really appreciate a thumbs up. Comment to share, please leave it below. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.